Have you ever heard of a man turning into a dog?
Well, they all do eventually, don't they?
Shaggy, you're back!
This is a man who hates dogs. Thanks, guys.
Good night, sir.
And through a strange circumstance,
Ow!
you scared him!
Oh, he bit me.
He turns into a dog, and through being a dog, he learns to be a better human.
What's happening to me? I love you.
We hooked up with these great actors. Jane Curtin is in this. Robert Downey Jr.
I am the chief scientist. I, me, mine. Ha!
No more growling.
Silence! Quiet!
I gotta go, guys.
Tim is funny all the time.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't play the music. And you're in charge.
He can't help it.
I got you now. I'm not playing prison. I got it. I am good. So is there anyone who has not sniffed my butt?